Hello, we are Team Impacteers. Our goal this semester is to build an interactive experience for African American students in the age group of 12 to 14 years old. We want to inspire them towards STEAM careers. By STEAM, we mean science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics. To achieve this, we are working with Damola and Wole Idowu. This is a father-son duo of engineers, creatives, and entrepreneurs with fascinating backgrounds and accomplishments. Together, they founded and run the company Toys Electronics, which is focused on providing resources, opportunities, support, and education to young adults.
The game starts with a very comfort environment of the Great Dadida's living room. Players will be placed into the scene with a first-person perspective. We decided to use the TV news to introduce the background story of this game and to let the player know about his or her role in the game. After informing the player about the story in the living room, all of our interactions and games happen in the sci-fi lab. Player will be asked to fix 3 parts of the car with their knowledge of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And that will be done within 3 minigames. By completing each game, the player will be rewarded with a letter of the corresponding discipline. And the story ends with the Great Dadida coming back home and be surprised by the great work that the user did.
For the environment, we have 2 main stages. The first stage is the living room, where the players will first see when they open the game. To make the living room authentic as the client required, we put lots of real-life posters including some of the client's favorite autographs from famous rappers. Going to the next scene, you can clearly see a change in color tone and art style. This is the lab, which is the place where the players will spend their time building the autonomous self-driving vehicle. It is made in this sci-fi and futuristic style to give players an immersive experience that matches the setting.
Talking about the design of our 3 mini experiences. The first one requires the player to add the numbers to create a shortest path to reach the goal. And each time, the numbers will be randomized, so players will have to solve a brand new puzzle. The second one is a rhythm game. Player just has to tap the channel when a note drops down and hits the line. It is simple, but enough for players to enjoy the music as a whole while still noticing different instruments playing as part. For the third one, players could freely customize the design of future glasses, adding different features to make it more powerful.
The game interface design keeps the sci-fi art style with the 3D environment for consistency and immersion. Some visual elements came from our client's own life experience, such as a photo from graffiti as background and a sketch of the smart glasses.